Don't miss this unique ranch home designed for entertaining. Huge open floor plan. Family room, living room, dining room, den. So much space for you to design your perfect layout. LG Eden Kitchen West/bar, all stainless steel appliances, center island, granite countertops, plenty of cabinets and dual oven west/the bottom one that's convection. Home office west/dual stairways to landing. Features a walk-in storage closet and access to the attic. Custom interior brickwork. Potential for 4th bedroom. Exterior home gym. Gazebo west/ceiling fan to enjoy relaxing in your private backyard. Garage west/workbench and BendPak HD-9 4-post lid that supports 9,000 pounds. Huge master bedroom west/sitting area. 2 fireplaces, 1 natural gas and 1 wood burning. Dimestar Incorporated, ER drainage system. Encapsulated crawl space with dehu. Imperial Teak 12mm wood flooring and Mountain Madison Cherry 8mm wood flooring. LG laundry room west/deep sink. Request list of features attached to the listing. Well maintained, pride of ownership that shows throughout.